class. My name is Mercedes Avery, and today I'm doing a presentation on the Concealed Weapon Permit Protocol for Florida. This is for the Elements of Speech class for Dr. Robinson. The overview of this presentation is going to go based off of the information that I found on the Florida's website for the steps necessary to apply for a concealed weapon permit, and a map of states that agree with Florida's concealed weapon permit and that allows people to come to their state with their concealed weapon. First, you would have to get an application packet by contacting the Florida's office. You would not get it from the jailhouse. You will receive it from the agricultural department. In the packet, you would get a chapter of your 790 statutes. You will also get a fingerprint card and an envelope for the complete packet. For step 2, it will be your Florida statutes. The Florida statutes, it's a bunch of them, but I only got a few, or 2. The first one will be 790.06. It's going to be licensed to carry a concealed weapon. You will have to read over that and get an understanding of what it means to carry a concealed weapon. 790.15 will be not on school grounds, not on any government grounds, no courthouse unless allowed by the judge. Step 3, you will need a photograph. The photograph will be like you could go to Walmart and get the picture taken for your passport, and that will be the simple photograph that you need. Step 4 is the verification of training. You need a certificate of completion, and you can get those from hunter education classes, the National Rifle Association. There can be firearm and training courses that you could take with a professional firearm person. That can be offered by law enforcement or by the state. Or you could be an active duty military. If you're active duty military, all you have to bring is your certificate from when you had to use your firearm. Steps 5 and 6, you will need court documents that prove that you don't have any felony convictions or domestic violence crimes, and there are many other crimes that can keep you from receiving your concealed weapon permit. One of the crimes that will be misdemeanor violence. If you have misdemeanor violence, a misdemeanor violence crime, unless it's 3 years after the crime happened, or elapsed, or probation, or whatever your judgment was for that crime, you will be able to get it after 3 years. If you are a juvenile offender, you will not be able to get a concealed weapon permit in Florida, or if you have mental health history. Oh, and fingerprinting, you could just go to the jailhouse and ask for your fingerprints, and they will put them on your card, so you can mail that back in the packet also. Okay, I have some extra information before I get to this step. For the statutes, they basically tell you what you are not allowed to do with your weapon, or where you are not allowed to carry it. Some places off limits, as I said a while ago, will be any school, courtroom, police station, or any place of government. And for your completed application packet, you have to get it signed in front of a notary, and you have to submit a check or money order of $117 just to get this permit. You have to assemble all your information given into your envelope and ship it out. And your permit is only valid for 7 years. The map, as you can see, it shows in the red, it shows the Florida permit, the people that do not honor the Florida permit, which would be New York, Wisconsin, California, Nevada, and so forth with the red. With the blue, it shows you all the places that honor the Florida permit. North Carolina is one, Virginia, Georgia, Atlanta, Texas, and all the blue, as you can see. And for the yellow, it's the Florida residence permit only. And these are the only people that accept Florida residence permits in South Carolina, Colorado, and then for the black, it's the people that deny that right, and that will be Illinois. Illinois is the only state that denied the right for you not to carry your permit in their state. And that is the end. Thank you for your time.